Hello, it's Stephen Paul with Fritzy Brothers One Man Circus. Today I am going to teach you how to juggle 3 balls. If you haven't checked out the video with scarf juggling, you may want to do that before you start juggling balls. Scarves float a little slower. However, the balls, once they go up, they come down quite a bit faster than the scarves. Today I'm going to use baseballs. I painted them a light blue and a dark blue for the rays. What you're going to do is use just one ball to begin with. You're going to take that one ball and toss it up into your other hand, just like that. Right a little bit above your head, maybe a little bit below your head. And it's a sweeping action with your hand. You're catching it, tossing it, catching it. Keep this up for about a minute or two is probably all your brain can handle, because it seems like it gets a little boring. But what you want to do is make sure that each toss is pretty much the same, right about the same height. As soon as you catch it, have a sweeping action and toss it to your hand, just like that. Go ahead and take a second one. What you're going to do is toss the first one up, and right before you catch it, you're going to toss that one up, just the same way that you were doing one. This one needs to be caught. That first one that you throw needs to be caught. It's a toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Just like that. And again, you want to sweep that hand. As soon as you catch it, you're tossing it and sweeping it, just like that. Right before you catch it, you're tossing that one up. It's kind of, you're just popping it right up in the air, just like that. Keep that up as much as you can. And again, you want to just keep them right in front of you in this little box, basically, so you're not chasing them around. It's probably a better idea to use bean bags or these baseballs, which once you drop them, they don't bounce all over the place. They pretty much hit the ground and stop. And just keep doing that. 15-20 minutes. Make sure that you're catching them. No drops. No drops. At least 10 times in a row. If you could do this 10 times in a row, it's time to go to 3. Once you go to 3, you're going to be taking 2 balls in your right hand. You're going to toss that ball, that first ball, and then you're going to toss this one just like you were doing the 2. But the third one comes in action. What you want to do is toss that one in between. And again, you want to just keep the tosses consistent. It's not about the catching, it's about the perfect toss. It's like an X. You're just taking one ball, tossing it in between the 2. You don't really have 3 balls in the air. You really only have 1 ball in the air. And you're waiting for that chance to toss it in between the 2. You really only have 1 ball in the air. Once you get that, you can bring it down a little bit lower. Takes a little bit more speed. And again, sweep that hand. Sweep both of those hands. Just like that. And that's how you juggle 3 juggling balls. Don't forget to click the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.